Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to truncate text in Webflow so when your text is too long, it automatically shows as a clean ellipsis at the end. So first things first, type in search Webflow in the search engine and click on the first link that pops up. And in here, it is your design Webflow. Start by selecting the text element you want to truncate, usually inside a card, blacklist, or a dynamic item. And then in the Style panel, scroll down to the bottom and add these three properties. First thing that you want to add is white space and no wrap. Next, overflow hidden. Next thing is text overflow ellipsis. As you can see, this makes the text stay on one line, hide the overflow, and show an ellipsis when it's too long. And that's it. You've got a clean, professional-looking truncated text in your Webflow project. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips.